and welcome. It's Gillykube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia on a beautiful sunny day. Thank goodness we've had so much rain. But anyway, it is very nice to see the sun. So today I'm going to try one of these funnel pours. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. I was thinking to put a bit of tape on the bottom, but anyway, I'm going to try one. But I want to do a split canvas, and I want to do it in sort of a lightish and darkish blue. So I'm going to start with this. This was a custom blue. It kind of started as phthalo blue, and I literally added all bits and bobs to it, and I definitely couldn't make it again if you asked me to, because it's got so many other colours in there. I just added a bit of this and a bit of that. So that's what I do sometimes. I just improvise and add some leftover colours. So it's kind of like a lightish denim colour. Got a bit of green coming through there. That must have been a bit of green that I poured in there. So just spreading this over like this, kind of a nice even layer. So hopefully this paint that I'm going to pour through my funnel will float over it. So now I've got the lighter blue. I think this is, I'll have a look, double check. This is the cerulean blue, cerulean malulean. There we go, all that colour's lovely. As soon as the puppies hear my voice, they go crazy. And of course it's only for food. I'm the feeding lady. I just want to thank you guys that are regulars to my channel and know me, and know that I've been through a bit of heartache lately with close family members and friends passing away. I've been a little bit sick myself. And I just want to thank you for all the lovely well wishes that I've had of people through my YouTube channel, and also through my acrylic art Facebook page. So again, thank you so much for your care and attention. It was lovely, thank you. Rightio, I'm going to try this, loading this up now. Am I going to be able to do this? I'm going to keep my finger on the pulse, and I've got this lovely bright yellow, or is it cool yellow, and I'm going to go, maybe I'll put a bit of that darker colour in again, the dark blue. I need to turn this around towards you guys. And I've got some orange. Oh my goodness, what have I done? A silly sausage. And I did want some white. And I've got some of this, it's a hot pink, if it wants to come out of the container, and it doesn't look like it does. Do they? Nope, I can't be bothered to fiddle. And this is a red, I think it's just the cool red. We'll go back to a bit of the cerulean blue and get some more of the really nice bright colours in here. Yellow, orange. I think it's a very, very long time since I've done one of these. some more white, which I might whizzle my white. Oh goodness, I think I'm going to be in. Oh! Plonk it. So how do I do this? Rightio, I'm gonna. Oh my goodness, look at those gorgeous cells just popping up straight away. Haven't done anything to it. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me give it a whiz over with my heat wand. Oh, that's gorgeous. Now I don't want to touch it. I don't want it to go anywhere. I wonder what's made it sell up so furiously. That's interesting because it's my same recipe. Now I'm going to lose them all, aren't I? If I do this and I do this. I'm going to lose them all. That looks a bit weird and wonderful, I guess, but I'm not really floating my boat. I don't know what's going on. I'm going to tilt a lot of this, so you're not even going to see my cerulean blue now, because I think I just put too much paint onto it. Might have a think about that, see how I'm going to change. I mean, it's still quite nice. I mean, it definitely looks like a shoreline, doesn't it? Let's see what I can do with this to bring out some, I mean, the cells are still there, but they're stretched right out because there was so much paint on it. As I said, it's been a long, long time since I did one of these. So I'm going to see if a little bit of swiping through this outwards. Let me see. Let me have a looky. Just going to use the soft plastic file divider thing. See what we get. I think I may do that. I think I may just cause a little area. So that's the black mixed with floetrol, and there's a fly just landed in it. Goodness me. Manners, please. Just a fly. Wow. Wow. These awesome effects that you can get from just objects that you have around the house. So this was obviously an office. You can get it from an office works or a stationery, just a soft plastic. I'll bring you up close in a little minute, but it just helps create some lovely wispy effects. Maybe I do something down where that cerulean blue is. It may sort of, oh, that was a bit too much. Beautiful cells coming up through that. Maybe I'll do the Aussie slide right through it. What do you think? when I bring you up close, you'll see the lovely effect that it's causing. So I think I might give it a great big Aussie slide. Hey Benson, manners please. There's people watching this video. It's my big standard poodle with a very loud bark. Why is it reminding me of a dragon? Definitely reminds me of a dragon. I suppose it's the fiery colours. I'm going to bring you down and have a look at these stunning embellishments on it. It's a little bit different, certainly different for me, and I'm not sure whether I like it. Wow, look at these gorgeous effects in here, and the gorgeous lacing. This one here. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. It's beautiful. And the tendrils that go out, they're very detailed. So, and you see that the blue that I have mixed there, it's got the lovely shimmer in it. That is because there obviously was some dragonfly glaze in it that gives that lovely shimmer to your paint. So look at those tendrils, look like crocodile skin. It's a little bit different. It's a little bit special, as my husband would call it. So what do you guys think? Is it a yay or a nay? It was fun to do, and it's always a nice thing to experiment for sure. And again, you guys that follow me and know me, I just want to thank you so much for your undying support in pretty yucky time for us as a family. So thank you so much, my lovelies, and I will be back tomorrow, hopefully with me as days go by, getting my full mojo back. Bye for now. Take care.